As soon as I slept, I felt that my body was being seized. And in that dream, they told me, we are escorting you to give this book, the clear Qur'an, as hadiyah to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So it's a long hallway. There's a big, huge gate. They opened it, and Rasulullah is sitting on something like a throne to the right. I didn't see him yet, but you can feel his presence, his nur. And right across from the door, subhanallah, there was a group of 6, 7 imams sitting privately with him. I saw one of them, Sheikh Omar Sulaiman, he's sitting with them. I looked him in the eye, then I woke up, and I was mad. I texted him, Sheikh Omar Sulaiman, get out of the way, man. I didn't see Rasulullah because of you. He texted me back, he said he started crying. And so subhanallah, a week later, I was angry. You are there to see Rasulullah, just a few inches away from him, and you don't get to see him. A week later, I flew back to Turkey. I arrived the night of Eid. I prayed Salatul Fajr. I wanted to sleep for half hour before Salatul Eid. As soon as I slept, the same feeling. My body was being seized, and he was right there in front of me, like zoom in. He looked exactly the same way he is described in the books of Hadith, like Hadith Ma'bad and the books of Sirah. His face was roundish and bright, and his beard was full, his neck was long, the turban, and his shoulders were very broad. He was very masculine, very strong, very athletic. And he was not very tall, not very short, moderate build. I saw the beautiful face, subhanallah, and it lasted for about 10 seconds, then I woke up. I was in shock, I couldn't say anything. I saw the smile, I woke up. And I said, this is an ishara. This has to be a sign that I've been working on this for like 12, 13 years. This is the time to work on the seerah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So immediately I started working on the clear seerah for kids, 365 days with Rasulullah, 52 weekly themes. And now they are teaching it at Islamic schools in the US and Canada, the UK, Australia. Alhamdulillah.